Hey guys, welcome to Solutions Room. Got a cough? Looking for a quick solution for those annoying coughs that kick in the middle of the night? Then stay right here. All you will need is 1.5 cup of water, 4 to 5 pieces of fresh ginger, 1 tablespoon of honey, and half a lemon. Just add your water into a pan, your 4 to 5 pieces of ginger, and bring this to a boil. Once it starts to boil, put down the flame to medium and let the ginger infuse in the water by letting it simmer for 5 minutes or until you get a strong aroma. Now, using a strainer, strain the liquid to separate the ginger from the infused water. Add your honey and half of a lemon. Just drink this 3 to 4 times daily for relief from persistent coughing, congestion, and a sore throat. Ginger helps to soothe irritation and scratching caused by a sore throat, plus it has anti-inflammatory properties that breaks down mucus from the lungs, which then clears out your respiratory system. Besides the sweetener, honey naturally forms a protective covering in the throat which relieves irritation due to congestion. And finally, lemon also helps to cut through congestion. Try this drink today and let me know how it went for you. If you found this video quick and helpful, then don't forget to hit the like, share and subscribe button. Thanks for watching guys, bye for now.